With the iPhone 14 series just being released, the average consumer is going to be hunting for a phone case that can offer some stylish protection. Mouse have been known for posting some wild videos on their very protective cases, recently launching one from a crane, proving that its protection value, well, lives up to the promise. With an extensive collection of cases to choose from, it might be hard to settle on just one. So I decided to get my hands on these two from their Limitless collection. Both offer a unique and desirable look, from this walnut finish to this aramid fibre. So let's take a look at these cases in a little more detail and have a look at what their features are. All their cases are cared for and packed very well, offering this minimalistic yet premium packaging. You really only do get the case alone, but once you get it out the packaging, you can see just how well this has been constructed. Both of these cases are fully MagSafe compatible, and as you can see from the inside, it has been engineered with cutting-edge magnetic technology. It uses a ring of N45 neodymium magnets. Now these allow for much more reliable and stronger connections for charging. As you can see from the inside of these cases, there is a green band going all the way around. Now this is actually a feature that allows for absorption of impacts, and it does that using AeroShock technology. It is an extremely rigid material and offers all the defensive features to protect your phone from those unfortunate drops. Now I have slightly tested this, but I'm truly not willing to over test it, if you know what I mean. I'll leave Mouse to demonstrate that, but nevertheless it has been doing a fantastic job at avoiding damage to my phone full stop. These cases consist of raised edges around the screen and even around the camera. Now this offers protection all the way around, so if you drop it on the front or back, you don't have to be concerned when having to slowly lift that phone up. Inside the case, along with its N45 magnet, there is this microfiber lining. So unlike other cases, this one actually protects your phone from the inside out. Sometimes when you buy phone cases that promise you this ultimate protection, you do have to slightly sacrifice on its design. They normally have bulky corners and add a bit of chunk to your phone. With Mouse spending a lot of time developing their cases to be protective, they didn't shy away from knowing that people want something truly stylish. We didn't go ahead and buy a phone shy off £1,000 without wanting to show its premium design. With these cases, you don't have to sacrifice on the style. Each case seems to consist of very high quality materials and a rather impressive slim design. As I said, other cases promising this kind of protection add far too much chunk. The Mouse cases add near to nothing to your overall width, and they weigh a very small amount too. So you do end up keeping what's so desirable about the iPhone without having to compromise on quality or looks. Whether you're looking for something formal or something that is classy yet fun, there is a case for everyone. These are constructed to last, and with the average duration of ownership only being around 3 years, well, it's certain that it will do. You don't really have to believe me, as Mouse offer a lifetime warranty on all their cases. So if you experience a manufacturing fault or deterioration in time, well, Mouse promises to sort you out. So these are certainly a very unique iPhone case. They offer you all the protection needed to make your iPhone last. So check out the product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.